Hey there folks, how you doing today? Hope all is going well for you. Just wanted to take a couple of minutes here to show you a real quick little video on the takedown process for the BUL Armory SAS II ultralight pistol. This one is the 3.25 inch variety, which is really closer to a 3-inch barrel for those of you that are concerned with such things. And while this pistol does say BUL Armory Miami, Florida there on the front end, if you look underneath, it'll show you there that it is in fact made in Israel. So moving right along, as I always like to show in these types of videos, this is a safe and empty weapon. We have no ammunition for it here in our workspace. It's going to remain that way for the remainder of this production. Dropping the slide, pointing in a safe direction, we'll drop our hammer and begin the takedown process. If you'll notice here on the side of the pistol, there's a little takedown notch right there. What you need to do, bring it back to the top of the slide stop, as you can see right there, and then pull the slide stop out and set it to the side. Now that we have the pistol apart, we can set the frame to the side and focus our efforts here on the upper assembly. For starters, I'm going to take the guide rod out, paying close attention to show you that the smaller portion of the guide rod is toward the rear of the pistol. Also, the larger recoil spring has a closed end on it, and that closed end also slides on first. Just keep that in mind when you are taking your pistol apart. So here on the front of the pistol is our barrel bushing. We're going to go ahead and take that out. We have a drop link that we're going to push forward. And now we can lift and slide our barrel assembly out the front of the pistol. One thing that I'll point out that becomes extremely evident when you have this pistol apart is just how lightweight that barrel assembly is. Trust the original. One of my least favorite things about stainless steel guns is the amount of extra effort you have to put into getting all of the black crap off of them. You should probably be doing that anyway, but it shows up more on stainless steel than it does on a blued or parkerized type finish. For that one guy that doesn't believe CLP should be used to lubricate a firearm, I'll appease you with some rim oil. So through the magic of video editing, we have cleaned the parts of the pistol, and now we'll start the reassembly process. Again, you want to put your drop link forward on the barrel, slide it in through the nose of the pistol, wiggle it down into its properly seated position, flip that drop link up, put your barrel bushing back in place. Remember, with your recoil spring assembly, the captive end of the spring goes back on this end, and the smaller spring goes toward the rear. I really don't think you could mount this one backwards, but I suppose stranger things have happened. Once we have that in place, we'll push our link up for reattaching the upper to the frame of the pistol. You want to kind of line it up to where you can see your drop link through the hole and install your slide stop at that point. Now you'll notice it's still sticking out a little bit. We have to line that groove back up over here. So we'll get it to there, push it back into place, point it in a safe direction, conduct a proper function check, and now we'll take a few moments to wipe the remaining fingerprints off of the pistol. So hopefully you got something out of that. If you found this video beneficial, please consider liking, subscribing, and giving us a thumbs up to help defeat the anti-2A algorithms here on the Tube of You.